This is I Exalt Thee in the key of C. I have simplified this hymn down to just kind of the bare bones. Sometimes hymns can go all over the place, so hopefully this is a really simplified version for you. Make sure to stop the video, click the description below, and I do have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. Okay, so in the key of C, we have some main chords. We're going to play a C, a G, and then in this song we have an A minor and a D minor, and I think that looks to be it. Okay, so let's take a look at those chords. We have C, E, G. That is a C chord. Okay, then we have our G chord. Here's our group of 3 black notes. Here's an F note. Right up from there is a G. So we play G, B, D. That's a G major chord. Okay, then our minors, if you move up 1 note, that's an A. So A, C, E makes up an A minor chord. And then our D minor. Move up here. Here was C, D. Middle C here, group of 2 black notes. That's kind of how you find that C. D, F, A makes up a D minor chord. Okay, so review, we have C chord, G, A minor, and D minor. Okay, so the left hand is going to be playing just single notes. So you can put thumb on C, line up your 5 fingers, and then you don't have to move this hand all over and lose your place. So we're going to play single notes with our chord up here. So C to C, G to G, A minor, A in the bass, and then our D minor, you just have to open your thumb 1 note here. Don't move your hand, just move your thumb when you play that D minor. Let's just play the D single note. Okay, so this song is written in 4/4 times. So we are going to do a rhythm I call together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. That is just a really simple way to play it through chording. So it's going to sound like this. Together, right, together, right, together, right. Practice that on the D minor. Practice that on the G, and so on. Anybody catching that tune? Marching rhythm. So that's going to carry you through, and then your voice, or a vocal can kind of carry on some of that beautiful melody for you. Okay, so let's just jump back into the beginning of verse 1 there. We start out with a C, and I'm just going to show you this first line because I play this differently than that together, right, together, right. Sometimes you could just block chord it where you're playing both hands at the same time, like this. For thou, O Lord, and then just carry it out. Art high. Okay, might do that first line again. For thou, O Lord. See that? We're just doing bum, 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 G, above all the C chord, earth, A minor. Thou art, open that D, thumb here, exalted, far, G, above all gods, C chord there. For thou, so for thou, O Lord, art high above all the earth, A minor. Thou art exalted, far a G chord above all gods. Remember, you can always remove the left hand altogether if that's too tricky. Just play just the right hand through until you get used to playing those different chords back and forth, okay? Let's just look at the chorus. And like I said in the beginning, I stripped this down to the real basics, so I've cut out a lot of chords because these chords typically are all over the place for every word. So I've kind of stripped that down just to simplify it, really. Okay, so let's jump into the chorus here. I exalt thee, and this is a G chord, exalt thee, F coming up, I exalt thee, and oh Lord, repeat that pattern. I exalt thee, I exalt thee, and I exalt thee, oh Lord. All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. You can go back to the beginning if you need some help. You can do it. I believe in you.